Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up auto pay on Allstate Insurance. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up auto pay on your Allstate Insurance account. How do you actually go ahead about setting that up? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Allstate account. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then there's going to be this option that says auto pay scheduled. Go ahead and click on Manage Auto Pay. Now, yours might look different from mine, depending on whether or not you have auto pay already set up. But on this page here, you should be able to actually go ahead and set up auto pay on your Allstate account insurance. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up auto pay on your Allstate insurance account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.